Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Salesforce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Salesforce, start by researching the company's business model and financial health. Visit Salesforce's official website to learn about their services and sector. Review their latest earnings reports and financial statements to assess performance. Look into industry trends to understand how they might impact Salesforce's future. Decide how much money you would like to invest in Salesforce. Consider your overall investment strategy and risk tolerance before moving forward. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that offers access to stock markets where Salesforce is traded. Fund your brokerage account with the amount you plan to invest. Once your account is funded, search for Salesforce by its stock ticker symbol, CRM. Analyze the stock's current price and past performance data. Determine whether you want to buy shares at the current price or set a limit order for a specific price. Execute your buy order according to your preferred method. Monitor your investment periodically to track Salesforce's performance. Stay updated on news and developments related to the company and the broader tech industry. Consider setting a target for selling your shares based on your financial goals. Regularly review your investment strategy and make adjustments as needed. Investing in Salesforce can be a great opportunity if approached with knowledge and care. Always consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.